So the goats were still out of hay, and we're getting loose and going over to the apple tree the day this was filmed. Luckily, they're afraid of the drones, so I can sort of herd them back in remotely by using the drone. They don't know what it is, and they think it's some, like, creepy predatory bird or something. Naughty goats indeed, and, yeah. So, the motivation for trimming this apple tree was to actually get them some food. And, this is actually the third export and second upload of this video because YouTube hasn't fixed it so you can actually ask a band that you know permission to use their music. So I am re-recording the audio track instead of just adding an audio track. It doesn't matter if you, like, personally know a member of a band or two and ask them permission to use their music. Like, YouTube doesn't give you a way to just get a license to use it on your video regardless of any actual connection with musicians, which is messed up. They should fix that. And just, you know, make it like radio, where if you use a track or two from bands in your video, they you know, give them a royalty every time the video gets played. It's not that complicated, you know. It should be like the radio where they get their, what should it be now? 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents a play? Something like that. It's not like Google can't fucking afford it. Pardon my French. So here I am trying to climb up this apple tree. And, yeah. Takes a while to, actually get up into the tree and, get the saws out of my pockets. And, actually cut branches. Doesn't help that I messed up the angle of the GoPro. GoPro is on snow that's melting, so I apologize for that angle. for maybe an hour, so this is edited down to 20 minutes, which is still probably too long, but hopefully people are digging on the tunes and the amusement of watching me up in this apple tree, I guess. There was a dog toy stuck in the apple tree. My fault. I threw it and it got caught instead of sailing over the tree, so I was trying to get that down too if you see any shaking of branches. Had some trouble getting branches out of the tree. They were getting stuck. express how tired your arms get doing this stuff. Had to take a lot of breaks that I edited out. If anyone's wondering how I had the drone just floating over the tree and no drone controller, it was actually in the house on my coffee table. Maybe the cats were flying the drone during this, I don't know. Really took a while to get some of these bigger branches down. Safety was a concern since, the branches are above my head, and when they finally let go, usually the butt end of it can slide right towards my face, so most of these got stuck right in the canopy and had to be cut up and pulled down through it, so. But that initial release of the branch is still pretty scary. You're up there balancing. I'm using both hands to cut, so it's just my feet on one branch right there, and when that tree releases its branch that's cut, it's a little hairy. Yeah, I figure a mellow yob song, you know, complements this footage just right. There we go. Branch released. And now it's stuck. Yeah, I had to break that down up in the tree in order to get it to actually come through the rest of the crown there. It's too bad the drone got stuck in the tree eventually, so I didn't have more overhead footage too much past this point. There it goes. I knew that was about to happen. Yeah, it might have been being, you know, maneuvered by the cats at this point. It got stuck in the apple tree. Did break a propeller getting it down.